Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back and this video is a haul video. So if you like haul video, then just continue and yeah, keep on watching. And this haul is about I purchased items from two separate companies. The first one is Ross Dress for Less. I love Ross Dress for Less. I think you know, if you've been watching my videos, I've had a lot of Ross Dress for Less hauls too. So I've got new ones, and then the second one is because recently my skin is super sensitive. I'm not really sure, probably because of the weather and the foods I eat here. So it is very sensitive, and if I use product that my skin doesn't like, I easily do have breakouts. And I've purchased items from this Althea Korea company as they are selling skincare from Korea. It's made in Korea, and my skin is loving it. So I buy Korean skincare most of the time. So if you're interested on what I've got, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's just include this. I haven't mentioned it, but let's just include this one. This item that I've purchased from Walgreens, and let's just include this in our haul. So I went there, and because every time I do film, I always wear falsies. So as you can see, most of the time my lashes looks vavavoom, very long, and they look so pretty. It's because they are fake. This one right here on the upper lid, and you need the glue. So glue is very necessary if you keep using falsies, and this glue is pretty good for me. I like it. I got here strip lash adhesive. It's by Kiss, and you know what, it was so timing that they were doing a buy one take one, and I only paid $6 for these two right here. I already used the other one. Now let's proceed to the Dress for Less, Ross Dress for Less haul. So the first one I've got from there is this one. It's a elevated hydration replenishing mist, this one right here, and it's by the Honest Beauty. So it's the first time I've been using this, and it's a good using. It's the first time that I'm gonna use this brand, and I would say it's a good deal because I only paid $5 instead of paying $13 somewhere, like somewhere outside Ross. And also what's good about it, because since it's my first time using this brand, so it's kind of gamble. So I don't want to spend $13. I know 13 is already cheap, but I want to pay lower than that because I don't know the quality of this one. But what made me purchase this product is it says here it has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. So that's the first item we've got. And then followed by these two items, and we've got here Ellen Tracy, this one, Ellen Tracy Deeply Purifying and Nourishing Facial Cleansing Wipes. And I've known this brand. I've had liquid lipstick from them, so that's why I picked this one up. And aside from that, I like the packaging, as it has like this. Some packaging it only has thicker like this, but that doesn't last long, and I like this kind of packaging, so that's why I got it. And it has 60 wipes, 60 counts, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B and E. So I am positive that this one will not give me any breakouts, hopefully. Next one is, I don't know the brand, but it says Petal Fresh Botanicals. The main reason why I picked this one up, it's because it has a lot of things going on in here, like no parabens, no sulfates, no gluten, no harsh preservatives, no petrochemicals, and not tested on animals. And it has 60 wipes, which is kind of good, and it expires 2020. So it's good, right? And these retails for $3.99. The other one too retails for $3.99. And maybe you're wondering why I got a lot of wet tissue, like purchase them all at once. It's because, you know, the main reason actually why I've purchased them is my shoes sometimes it's super dirty and I don't have something to wipe them off. So I use wet tissue. I prefer wet tissue, especially to my boots. And aside from that, I'm gonna use this to like clean my tables or wipe my makeup off. So those things. Now let's proceed to my Althea Korea purchases. So we've got here this package and I haven't opened it, so excuse, it will be very noisy and it will be really loud. And then, moment. So I got a huge one right here and it is packed by, they use bubble wrap, so it was a good one. Now, let me open it up. Oh, hallelujah. So we've got here. So the first one is this. Oh, we've got card. It's like subscription box, right? For you, from me, Althea Creed. So it says here something, there's a card, and invite friends, get 50%, something like that. And then the first one I've got is this eyeshadow. So we've got here eyeshadow from Etude House, this one. And the reason why I've purchased this is I'm gonna give a review, probably a review on my channel. But sadly, when I open it, one eyeshadow was broken, this one right here, and I just fix it, like press it hard, probably because the eyeshadow is very soft, so it broke really fast. The packaging was right, they wrapped it like this, but still it broke, probably because the travel was so far. It was from Asia to America, so that's noted. I'm gonna always think about that, like what if I'm gonna purchase eyeshadow from them, would it come here intact or not? Because if not, then it's really not worth it. I already unwrapped all of the products, so it's we go on easy and smoothly. By the way, that eyeshadow retails for 14.30, and it was kind of disappointing when they responded me and they were just said the solution they offered was they're either refund me, but the refund was only $2, and then imagine the eyeshadow is worth $14, or I'm gonna send the product back to Korea, which is very unideal and will take forever. So I'm disappointed and forget about it. I'm not gonna deal with it. Now let's proceed. The next one I've got right here is this mask, and this mask retails for 3.30. I got 5 masks. It's really big, and I've read also the content before purchasing it, and I loved what's in it. And it says here whitening and anti-wrinkle. The next one we've got right here is this 92% aloe vera by Nature Republic, and this retails for $4. I'm planning to use this for my face, but if my face wouldn't like it, I'm gonna use it on my arms and my legs, because also I'm trying to make my legs and especially my arms looks pretty, even though I am brown, but I like it to look clean and even, because sometimes it has like a nasty discoloration and I don't like it, especially my arm, like elbows. I don't like intense discoloration there. Next is we've got this Glam Glow. It says Glow Skin Balm. This is the packaging right here, and this is how the container looks like. It's glass and the cover is plastic, and it has spatula. I am planning to use this as my moisturizer slash primer before applying my foundation and see how it works. And that retails for, let me check, that retails for 14.50, and I hope my skin would not react negatively to that balm. Next, let's proceed. We've got here this lip scrub, because my lips sometimes is, aside from it's dry, it has dead skin. So I always use lip balm but not scrub. So that's why I would say this is necessary. and I'm glad that I have purchased this. This retails for $5, and I'm just too excited to use this. So this is how it looks. It's just this one right here is just a sticker. I don't know why they included that. I don't understand the text. Mostly it's Korean. And the last but not the least item I've got is this Laneige lip slipping mask. And this is, and since I got vanilla, I never thought that they're gonna change. Vanilla container is like this. It looks boring. Most people, I think the red packaging is more popular, and that was berry. I think berry scent, but this is vanilla, so this is what I got. Now, overall, I've purchased the entire items for 54.10. And since Althea gave me a like a Christmas, I don't know, Christmas gift, so worth 50, so I only paid for shipping, and that is $7. If your order reached to $50, then you are qualified to have a free shipping, US shipping, if you're from USA. So that's it, guys. Overall, I would say that I was pretty happy of the purchases I've made from Walgreens and Ross, but I couldn't. The wipes are okay. I love them. But this one right here, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know what to say. How about my purchases in Althea, Korea? The purchases are good. I love what I've got. I never regretted purchasing them. It's just tragic that one color of my eyeshadow palette broke, and I was disappointed of their response, wherein they told me it's either they will refund $2. Why $2? I've purchased this for $14, right? Or I'm gonna send back the eyeshadow and they're gonna replace it, which is not very ideal because the travel is so far, so it'll take a month before the product from here reach in their end, and then another month before I'll receive the new or the replacement. So forget about it. I'm not gonna deal about it. But I'm still grateful because all of the items I've got are free. Yes, it's totally free. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. And if you like haul videos, then that's what you'll get. I'm gonna be doing a lot of hauls in the future. So that's it, guys. See you on my next post. I love you. Bye.